What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your scenes on Streamlabs Desktop. So, as you can see, if we go here, this is what I have on. You click right there, and it's all these. So you got like the stream's ending, the main game cam, intermission. You can put your usernames and all your things right here. Social media tab. So basically, what you guys are going to want to do first is go to your Chrome. You're going to want to search up right here, Streamlabs preset, and then you'll click Streamlabs overlays and widget themes. I'll put that in the description. Want to click on that. Then you're gonna have all these right here. If you want like a lot of these ones, you'll have to pay. But there's also free ones. So we're gonna hit search. We're just gonna type in free, search it up, and you can find some pretty cool ones like this. So then there's also a bunch of pages down here that you can keep going. So I think this one looks cool, for example, or this one right here. So you're just gonna click install theme, open Streamlabs Desktop. Just wait right here, and then all this will come up. It'll show you the different things. It also comes with, it looks like a little border around your face cam. So we'll just, for example, it says 3 scenes right there. Boom. It goes right to your Streamlabs right there, and this is it. It's done. Live scene. That's what it'll look like. You can also click on it. For example, if you don't want this, you can left click on it, and then you can right click and then hit remove, and then it'll remove this. Socials. There's a collab cam starting soon. All that cool stuff, and you just go live and it'll all be there. So that's how you do it. If you guys need any help or anything, just put it down in the comments, and like and subscribe, and I love you.